Yehini, Mahini, Togbega Gabusu. I say, Mama Kwaba. You say, Babia Musina, a Wapa, and a food truck, a crowd, quite so. So, Yahano, the summer I know a boy, the Pano, the Mam says, yeah, move our woman night, move, yeah, I said, I want to have a car, dear Mama Kwaba. Your child, all of them poster, on never pay woman, I mean, back to you and go here. I'll be over it. I'm not going to be Mrs. and I tell Magadama now.
Moro Ibrahim, assistant. Isa Natal, goalkeeper's coach. Asante.
Mohamed Kamara, goalkeeper.
Joseph Ablo, defender.
Amidu Peter Aqua, winger.
Baba Yaya, midfielder. Adekesi, defender.
Someone today to midfielder.
Bernard Sumwa, winger. Solomon Sa, midfielder. Andrew Timothy, midfielder.
Billy Justice, midfielder.
Michael Jr., midfielder.
Ismail Abdulhamid, defender.
Elsu Henry, defender.
Lodamwa, defender.
Morokote, defender.
Amo Ahmed, attacker. Samba Ode, defender.
Yago, center forward.
Andrew Emmanuel, midfielder.
Yago, center forward.
Andrew Emmanuel, midfielder.
MP.
MP no ase.
Team Ede, always of Kotoko team, always of our Nibaji.
Kotoko for ball go for you now, never ma cover, crack over, assassin.
One of the Agome.
Ni kasa kana mega nje ochina.
Ania. Kotoko team, always of.
Team Kotoko for you now, never mu akwaba.
Other common couple head. Ada Pena Hokwe. United FC Call.
Ele mefa time we actually am go perform. We say very repeated the way so. Over Nunola. Then like the old time Japapa really boom. Therefore, the pet Tolia Ojabanto. Omega say Asante the crop for and the ball go for one body Omo ball be that. Now some run first time. Omo third position no. But I'm asking.
And the man of Kodin, a job everything young or park stadium there. Up with blaming. Amen.
Togbega Gabusu be chami ga le fie etoro reku nese ko wado ai no feo bi machichio tokyo ne Togbega Gabusu adelia no akoga element. But on behalf of Asante Kotoko and Amewu United, I think it's very historic that this is the first time Asante Kotoko is coming to the mainland because of Togbega Gabusu VII. And I want to give assurance to Togbega Gabusu, the life patron of Amewu United. When the players were sitting down, I saw my boys and our boys, they look more giant than the Asante Kotoko. So I was wondering, isn't Asante Kotoko because the boys are small. As you all know, no team has ever visited your stadium and go free. So I'm encouraging the boys that tomorrow's match is going to be a very interesting game. And I want to assure Togbega Gabusu that we will come successfully. The good thing is that at the end of this season, Togbega, 13 players from your team have been approached by First Premier Division Club to take 13 players out. They all know they are here. So I said, well, ask them. As for playing, it's not necessarily the Premier, but how you play. If you want to go, you can go. 13 of them, I think the CEO is there. Even Togbega, when we are sitting here, somebody from their executive came and said, can we take some of your players in here? So, Amewu United, it shows how potentials you are. And for the first time, you are playing with Asante Kotoko. I mean, that alone is a privilege to you. And I want to thank the management of Asante Kotoko and the players. It is not easy to bring a team like this to your homeland. It's because of the love they have for Amewu and the love they have for Togbega Gabusu and also the Amewu United. I think that the two teams, we are now becoming one. Because in unity, there is strength. Even though you are playing Premier and we are playing a first division, let's be united. So that Ghana will see that through Amewu United and Asante Kotoko, Ghana football is brought to life. I'm saying this, Togbega, with all passion. This is not the kind of football we used to see in Ghana. Our football has deteriorated. And I must say it with all authority. We need to build a home-based football. When I was very young, when they say Kotoko is playing, the whole world, you don't put it. But that is not what we see today. We can still do that. And that is why Togbega Gabusu has brought Amewu United. And tomorrow when you come to the field, you will see yourself. We have people from Accra, over, hey, is it a football? I say, yes. This is what we need to build Ghana football. The Ghana football has now become a betting. Please, the players, those who made it because of sacrifice. You can also make it. The Betty and all of them, they are not too much better than you are. If you are sacrifice yourself, commitment and dedication, I can tell you, you will get there. So I want you to put some passion to what you do, so that in the long run, you will get the glory, and your team will also get the glory. Togbega, Akpagara now, welcome Amewu, to acknowledge the king of the Asante Kingdom, as you all know, Otumfuo, for, of course, if he doesn't allow through the necessary authorities, it will not be possible to have seen Asante Kotoko in Howe. So I also want to acknowledge, that his contribution and passion for Howe. I'm hoping that one day Togbega, Gabusu, and Asante will become a very good friend. And we want to see him here. We'll bring him to Howe, and Togbega will also be in the Asante Kingdom. That is how we build friendship, and that is how we build growth in this country of ours called Ghana. Thank you so much.